Hi everybody, Deb Tomorrow Realtor here with a new listing. This is a really special home. I'm going to tell you why. Because this is a one-story home and it's over 2,400 square feet. And we don't see that very often. A lot of the single-story homes that we see are maybe 1,700 square feet, 1,800. If you're really big, maybe 2,000. But this is 2,400 square feet, and as you can see, it's got a 3-car garage as well. Tons of parking in the driveway. There's even a pull-off around the side, and it sits on an acre. And I also want to take a minute and just be quiet. Ha ha, right? Deb, be quiet. Because this is fairly close to I-69 in Rolling Glen, which is a really lovely neighborhood with large lots, kind of up on a hill, but you're not having to, I think people sometimes feel like it's too close to the highway and that they're going to have to shout to hear each other if they're sitting outside. I sold a couple other lots in this neighborhood a few years ago, closer to the highway, and it was really not noticeable. So I just wanted to kind of be like, listen for a second. So let's go inside because there's some special things inside too. So this is an estate sale. So there are a few things the seller is willing to give a bit of a credit for, some flooring and some things like that you might want to do, but very, very solid. Lots of landscaping. I love all of these rocks, and I suspect that these all came out of the ground around here. The builder of this home was actually the excavator. I'm not sure if he's technically the developer, but he did the work on this neighborhood. And so I'm guessing that they've pulled out a lot of these rocks from the neighborhood and used them in the design. There's a cute little patio area up here as well that you could have a little table and chair and just kind of sit. I don't know if you can see it or how far I can zoom in, but I mean, you have a view over there. Very cool. Okay, we are standing at the front door. So here's my back to the pretty front door, and straight ahead, you've got the living room this is my left, yes. There's like an office. It could be another sitting room, den, and then a dining room over here. So we'll take a look. This is new carpet in here. There is some hardwood underneath, probably needs to be refinished. And a wood accent wall that's actually pretty cool. Double window, so you get some good light in here, and ceiling fan. So this was an office, but again, this could be any number of things. You throw a door on it and make it a 4th bedroom if that's what you really need. And then this was designed as a dining room space. It is quite large. All of the rooms in here are large, and I put a lot of the specific dimensions. They're on the floor plan. But yeah, you could definitely get a big table and a sideboard in this space. Maybe add a chandelier, do a little painting. Good to go. If you can see down the hallway there's some cleaning supplies, but that door right there is to the kitchen. A double coat closet in the front entry, so nice and wide there. Okay, we're gonna go straight. I'm gonna show you. So there's 2 bedrooms down this way, and then the primary bedroom is down that way, so split floor plan. Here is the living room. Nice bank of windows. You've got vaulted ceilings, fireplace. Just a blank slate. This one does have, just being forthright and honest, there are a few stains on the carpet, so this is part of the flooring allowance that the seller is willing to offer. They didn't want to put something in and then somebody wanted a different type of flooring, so they just thought they would offer an allowance. And then this goes into a really generously sized breakfast nook. I mean, you could have a big table in here if you wanted to use the dining room as something else. I love the little, it's not a bay window, but it kind of gives that vibe of a bay window. And it looks out the back and then into the kitchen. I want to turn some lights on. There we go. There is a pantry here, and then the mechanicals that can be used. Great storage space, crock pots and Instapots and that sort of thing. All the appliances are included as well. Very, very clean and tidy. So again, you can move right in, maybe just replace carpet in 1 or 2 rooms, and do things over time. But these are very high quality cabinets and stainless steel appliances. I think this is a really nice space. We'll come back in a minute and look out the back. I don't want to shoot through a screen window, but I'm going to. There's some more of the stones and the little kind of waterfallish kind of thing going on. Again, good size room. So we're gonna go over here to the primary, but before we get there, another special thing about this house is that there is a powder room. There's a half bath. Most, I would say, single story homes we see have just 2 full bathrooms. So your guests have to use the second full bathroom, like, if you have a dinner party or something. But here there is a half bath just for guests. Large room, 18 by 16, something like that. And 2 walk-in closets. 2, and these are big. So that's 1. And then there's a hole, and they're about the same size. Big, big, big closets. And then the bath in here, it's got a soaking tub. It's got double vanities. It does have a walk-in shower. It's probably about a 36-inch walk-in shower. So you've got some good space there. Huge room, enormous. Okay, and then we'll go down the hallway. Pretty floors. We'll come back. This is going to be laundry and garage. We'll come back to that. So these other 2 bedrooms are way at the other end. So nice separation. Here is that hall bath for these 2 bedrooms. We've got some natural light, which is nice, and this is deep. And there is a linen closet here in the bathroom. And then 1 bedroom. I believe this carpet is new as well. And then this one, they loved IU. Red carpet. Again, it's in great shape, just may not be everyone's taste, so we're offering a solution for that. But nice, very nice size rooms. Okay, and then there's another door here. There's another linen closet, and this one's nice and deep. I would probably take out that bottom shelf and then store my vacuum cleaner in there. Unless you chose to store your vacuum cleaner in your laundry room. It could go right there. So sink, always nice, and a door so you can close your laundry and not have to look at it. There is yet another coat closet here, so when you're coming in from the garage, you can just put your coat and your boots in there. And here's the garage, and I do want to point out too, sorry, my camera's all over the place as I'm looking for light switches. Here we go. This is a step in from the garage. There really is no step. That's all just a threshold and that's it. So no step house, which is hard to find. There's a door there. Looks like there may be some attic access here. Really nice, some shelves. Yeah, so lots of space here. All right, let me take you out back. Okay, here we are in the back. You've got a patio area with a retaining wall. The lot is pretty much lined by the pine trees out there. And then it's hard to tell with the snow, but it was at one time like a waterfall. It probably needs a pump or something like that, but it was just kind of a really nice, comforting water feature as well. So some room to do some things. It's fairly flat. It's raised from where the patio is, but then it's flat from there. So again, this is a very special house because of the size and the layout that you're going to be hard pressed to find in Monroe County. So come on, check it out.